What's going on, guys? Phil here from the Sydney Trains Vlogs channel. Again here at Strathfield, maybe another short vlog. Dubbo XPT 2006 XP 2006 is the front motor car. Starlight Express Dubbo XPT this is. This is about not even 5 minutes after the the Casino XPT departed. And almost instantly after. Dubbo XPT departing platform number 3 here at Strathfield. Rear motor is XP 2011. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap this vlog up now. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching the Sydney Trains Vlogs channel. I'll see you in the next vlog. Goodbye for now.